Hello, my name is Yasmin Garcia Hernandez, and I will be talking about cladding systems. Cladding is any material used to cover a structure's exterior, and it protects against elements and shields against environmental conditions. Cladding can also serve a decorative function to hide a more structural but perhaps not attractive substrate. And it is typically made from wood, metal, plastic, masonry, or an increasing range of composite materials. They also include horizontal or vertical boards, sheet materials, or smaller overlapping panels such as shingles and tiles. When it comes to functionality, cladding doesn't have to be waterproof, but it often controls how elements hit or fall on a surface. It can be attached directly to the frame or to an intermediate layer of battens or spacers to prevent condensation and allow water vapor to escape. Several composite cladding products may include insulation, which can eliminate the need for bulk insulation between the frame members in many climates. And apart from aesthetic considerations, the color of external cladding influences its capacity to absorb or reflect heat. In most climates, it tends to be preferred to use lighter colors or certain reflective finishes, especially for roofing. When it comes to structural and integrity and durability, by definition, cladding is generally non-load bearing. However, some sheet cladding systems can have a structural bracing role in lightweight framing applications when appropriately fixed to the frame. The fixing requirements for bracing cladding can have significant implications for visual appearance, waterproofing, condensation, ventilation, and drainage. And in terms of reactions and relationships, high-strength steel cladding systems can suffer from local pull-through failures at their screw connections during high wind events such as storms and cyclones. And here are my sources.